I get excited about getting back to our community, and this is one of our 3 big things that we do for our community every year. And on Saturday, March 2nd, is the Strawberry Festival, which is going to be at the McPherson Governmental Complex here in Ocala. And we're working with Habitat for Humanity, and what we've been asked to do is to make 2,000 strawberry shortcakes. Talked a little bit about the flow of food through the kitchen. There's a prep area, then there's a butter shredding area, then there's a mixing area, there's a scooping where we're portioning out all the shortcakes, there's a baking area, then there's a production area where all we're doing is putting the shortcakes into pans with lids and making sure that we've got a good quality product. And so we are focusing on all those different points all the way through the kitchen, and they get a sense of understanding on what it takes to run a commercial kitchen like this.
The experience with this is actually very invigorating. Like, in this program in general, it actually helps me because you get to understand how restaurants work, how kitchens work. You get to understand like what our safeties are, like precautions, our PPE, personal protective equipment, and what we should be wearing in our future jobs if we go into the culinary industry. With the strawberry shortcakes in specific though, we get to learn the recipe, we get to learn more efficient ways to make it, because as Chef has told us earlier, cutting up the blocks of butter wasn't like efficient enough, so instead we are shredding them. So at home, if I want to make this recipe, I'll be shredding them, and I'll be doing whatever I can to make my job easier, because that is our goal. When we're making this, we get to like be out there. We're not only like donating these shortcakes, but we're also like gonna be selling them as well. When people eat these shortcakes, they're probably gonna be like, wow, this is so good, where did you get it from? And boom, our name's out there. They will be saying this comes from MTC, and then they'll say which program it is, and then of course, our teacher gets the credit.
I'm just excited about seeing the finished product. We burned a couple, so we've got to sample some of them. So tomorrow we're going to go get, from Publix, we're going to go get some strawberries and have our own strawberry shortcake festival here tomorrow. So we're excited about that.